Just put the test key in there, or just press another one. Press it. Fancy pressing a call point. I do fancy it. I do know what I'm doing with it. Fancy this one. Press it. The test. Press. Go for it. Mute the buzzer. Test it once a week, even. No, this. I need to know how I'm doing it to make sure I am doing it. I just need to reset that call point. I need to reset it. Reset it now. I have to reset it because I need to reset it, don't I? I have to reset it. Leave that call point as it is, I will do. Never take off. Not my colour, is it? But it's Brave Nurses now. So once a week test. The call point 7. Key back.